Hello everyone, I'm Adarsh. Welcome back to our channel, and today let us see about the birth of civilization. The earliest humans lived by hunting, fishing and collecting wild plants. Only some 10,000 years ago they learned to cultivate plants, herd animals and take airtight pottery for storage. These discoveries transformed them from gatherers to lead a settled life. Beginning about 5000 years ago, a far more complex way of life began to appear in some parts of the world. Humans learned how to increase harvest through irrigation and other methods, making possible much larger populations. They came together in towns, cities, and other centers. They developed writing, enabled them to keep inventories of food and other resources. Specialized occupations emerged, complex religion took form, and social divisions increased. These changes marked the birth of civilization. Humans, unlike other animals, are cultural beings. Culture is the sum total of living built up by a group and passed on from one generation to another. Culture includes behavior such as courtship or child rearing practices, material things such as tools, clothing, and shelter, and ideas, institutions, and beliefs. Language apparently a unique human trait. Anthropologists designate early human cultures by their tools. The early period, Paleolithic age, date the earliest use of stone tools some 1 million years ago to about 10,000 BCE. ಈ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಬೇಟೆಯಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಮೀನುಗಳನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿತಾ ಬದುಕ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಆಹಾರ ತಯಾರಿಸ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. They learn to make and use increasingly sophisticated tools of stone and perishable materials like wood. They learned to make and use of fire. They acquired and the ability to use it to pass on what they had learned. Paleolithic society was probably characterized by a division of labor by sex. Men most likely hunted, fished, and fought other families, clans, and tribes. Women less mobile because of childbearing most likely gathered nuts, berries, and wild grains. Women gathering food probably discovered how to plant and care for seeds, knowledge that eventually led to agriculture and the Neolithic Revolution. Only a few Paleolithic societies made the initial shift from hunting and gathering to agriculture. In the Middle East, began to change from a nomadic hunter-gatherers culture to a more settled agricultural ones. They learned chipping and grinding. They could move to areas where plants and animals did not occur naturally, such as the river valleys of the region. The invention of pottery during the Neolithic age enabled people to store food and also for transportation. They made cloth from wool and flax. The earliest Neolithic societies appeared in the Middle East, in China and in India. Agriculture was based on wheat and barley in the Middle East, on millet and rice in China. Then the Bronze Age. The shift was initially associated with the growth of towns alongside villages, creating a hierarchy of larger and smaller settlements. Some towns grew into larger urban centers, monumental buildings such as temples and fortifications. New technologies such as smelting and the manufacture of metal tools and weapons were characteristic of urban life. Urbanism, technological, industrial, and social change, long distance trade, and new methods of symbolic representation and communication are defining characteristics of the form of human culture called civilization. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ನೀವಿನ್ನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್, and if you like this video please share it with everyone. Thank you.